Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I recently took nail polish off my nails and just did a little bit of a manicure, like did my cuticles, gave them a little foul and a small buff. So I wanted to use my new Bath and Body Works that I showed you guys in my Bath and Body Works haul video, the 60-second manicure hand scrub sugar. To go ahead and clean my hands and get them all done from after doing my manicure. And it says to, where is it? It says to massage treatment into wet hands for 60 seconds, paying special attention to nail beds and rough areas, and then rinse clean. So I just want to see, you know, how this works. Share it with you guys in case you guys are interested in picking this up. So that's what it looks like on the inside. It looks like a scrub. See how it smells. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Let's see, made with, I'm going to spill it, sugar crystals, shea butter, lemon extract, I can smell that, and orange fruit extract, I can smell that. Oh, it smells so, ooh, I wish y'all could smell this. Let's see. Smell it? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and wet my hands. I'm going to apply some to my hands and rub it in for the 60 seconds. Rinse it off and see how soft my hands are. And then I'm going to use also the new lotion that I purchased. I should have gotten the paraffin lotion. I do want to grab that, but for now I'm just going to use this. It's just as good. So yeah, let me go wet my hands, get some of this on there, and get started. So my hands are wet. I'm going to go ahead and just put on, I'm not sure how much to use. I'm going to put on about that much and just go ahead and start working it in. Oh, that feels so good. You guys can see. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh, it smells really, really good. So I'm not sure how long it's been yet, but I'm just gonna keep going a little longer. Okay, I think that's good. So I'm going to go ahead and go rinse it off. I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, I washed it off. It was absolutely amazing. I love it. Oh, my hands, they smell so good now. Now, I don't know why my nail beds are discoloring like that. I think it's from this vitamin I'm taking, but I'm not exactly sure. Anywho, this is amazing. I really, really love it. It got my hands so nice, clean, and smooth. I applied my Japanese cherry blossom 24-hour shea butter and vitamin E lotion to my hands after using my 60-second manicure hand scrub, both from Bath and Body Works. The hand scrub is $14.50, but if you're signed up for emails, keep your eye on coupons. They've been doing a lot of the $10 off $30 coupons, so you know, you may be able to catch it on a sale or something, but I do think it's actually quite worth it. I love a good hand scrub. I love a good foot scrub too. So yeah, it worked really good. You guys see the shine on my hands? They feel really good, nice, clean, and smooth. And Yeah, it has the inside of my nails are cleaner than they were. So yeah, I like it. Really good. I definitely recommend trying this. All right, so that's it. I just wanted to let you guys know how well this worked. Thank you guys for watching. Click that subscribe button, the thumbs up button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, y'all.